YouTube friends and family. We are here today to make a delicious, easy dinner for you. Well, you're gonna have to make it yourself, but we're gonna show you how to make it. This is Tuscan chicken. It's very simple, just a couple ingredients you throw together. This is a great dinner for a busy weeknight. If you don't really feel like cooking, if you don't have a lot of time to prepare, this is very easy and good. You would say it was good, right?
It's good, it's very good.
It's good, great. So we're gonna start with 2 chicken breasts. We like to butterfly them because the thick pieces, it just takes longer to cook. So if you could cut the fat off of that and butterfly it, that would be very helpful.
Are these organic?
They are organic.
Then why do they have fat?
I mean,
maybe they're organic, but they're not free range.
yeah, they didn't have enough room to roam. They fed them unhealthy meat. I don't know. Everything is fat. Even healthy things have fat. It's healthy to have fat.
Is it? Yeah,
think
that
of
must
avocado.
be real healthy.
Think of avocado. I don't know. All right. Anywho, so basically what it is, and I'll run through the ingredients while he's doing that, is chicken with spinach on top, roasted red peppers, and then I like to add sun-dried tomatoes. I do like to add roasted red peppers as optional. We'll dice those up or chop them up smaller. And then I like to add artichokes just because another vegetable makes it good. And then top it with cheese, obviously. And then we can throw some salt and pepper on there. I'm gonna slice the roasted red peppers. No, I'm gonna use my tool. All right, I don't know if any of you have seen these before, but I grew up with these and it's a game changer. Especially like when I was in my single years when I didn't have a man to open my stuff for me and I couldn't open it. This was so nice. So easy. Yep, it's an antique probably. You can't buy these in store anymore. Anywho, all right, I'm going to, if you're a super overachiever, you could make these yourself. I don't think roasted red peppers are that hard to make. I've never done it though, I just buy the canned ones. All right, I'm only gonna do half of the jar. It's not, I don't want overwhelming roasted red pepper flavor. All right, so the chicken is butterflied. We're gonna go ahead and put it here in the pan. First, we'll put some olive oil down just for the non-stick purposes. Go ahead and put your chicken on there. We're just gonna lay them next to each other. Beautiful.
This one didn't turn out too well.
Well, the nice thing is it all like cooks together.
Yep.
And we won't even know where one chicken breast ends and one starts. One ingredient I forgot to mention before is minced garlic. So we're just gonna go ahead and put that on top of each one. And this is about a tablespoon, but put as much or as little as you would like. We're garlic people, no vampires in this household. Okay. I'm just gonna throw some salt and pepper on here too. Then salt. Can't go wrong with some French gray salt.
You love that stuff.
I really do. I've never been a salt person, but when I got this, I tried it because I heard it was really good and I was like, this is not good, but mixed in with your food, it tastes so much better. All right, so the first ingredient we're gonna do is spinach. So we are gonna put a liberal amount of spinach on top. As you can see, I'm not measuring because you just put as much as you want. Put a bunch on there. Next, this is your core ingredient. It is sun-dried tomatoes. That's the main, you can open that one while I'm talking. That's the main ingredient that's gonna go on here. And with this one, we do want the juices and everything because the juice is what's gonna give all the really good flavor. So I get mine from Trader Joe's. You can get them at a grocery store in just like the pasta section or tomatoes section, I guess. So spread it out evenly, even distribution for even flavor. All on there. That is great. And now we can go ahead and put our roasted red peppers as well. I just did them in like long slices, which is great. Look how colorful this is too. And then we're gonna do artichoke quarters is what I bought, just so I don't have to slice it. I'm gonna drain it out though, because I don't want the artichoke juice in here. Just do half the can personally, because he doesn't love them. I just feel like adding more vegetables is always a good thing. I've never used like fresh artichokes. I don't even know what I would do with a fresh artichoke or how to cut it.
You'd probably choke it.
That's good, that's good. Oh my goodness. All right, that looks pretty good. Yeah, it's about half the can. All right, and the last ingredient is mozzarella cheese.
The cheese.
We had some leftover fresh mozzarella, so I'm just gonna throw that on here. Obviously, normal sliced mozzarella cheese works perfectly. So just throw it on top. I told you this was easy. Like, you just throw all the ingredients in a 13 by 9 pan, and that's it.
And bake it.
And bake it? Well, yeah, you don't want to eat raw chicken. Minor details. All right, so that's all you do. You just put all these ingredients together in the pan, and then you're gonna cook it. 375. It's gonna be about 45 minutes total that you'll need to cook it. So we'll do the first 20 minutes with it covered and covered with foil. So Jason, wanna go ahead and put foil on there. And then the rest of the time, the 25 extra minutes, we'll uncover it. And that's it. Perfect.
Oven time?
Yep. All right, so the Tuscan chicken has been cooking in the oven. 20 minutes covered, 25 minutes uncovered, and it looks delicious. I did check the internal temperature of the chicken and we're over 165. I love that little thermometer to test it.
Thermopen. Get one.
Yeah, you should definitely go. And the number of times yeah, show them how easy it is. This is not an infomercial, but it's so easy.
Hey, Boulder Rock's not sponsoring. Maybe
I
these
know.
guys will.
Don't mind that. Thor wants to go outside again. You just stick it in there and it tells you it's supposed to be 165 and we're over that. So we're good to go. I always overcook chicken because I'm so worried it's not cooked enough. So that thermometer has been a game changer for me. But I'm just gonna dive right in so we can taste it. It is delicious. You can see the spinach really cooked down. It looked like we had a lot more before, but it shrinks as we talked about already. So this is gonna be hot. Maybe that's my thing, is eating food that's too hot. Let's get those even proportions on here. A little bit of everything. Smoking it up.
Do you have water handy? Because I think this is gonna burn us.
All right, let's give it a try. This is one of my favorite dinners that I make. Don't tell me if you don't like it, because I'm going to keep making it anyway.
I don't like it.
What?
Hot? Mm-hmm. Maybe I'll just take a little nibble. It was good.
Anywho, really great dinner. I hope that you add this to your list of regular dinners. I know we all have lists of food that we cook over and over again, but give this one a try and you won't be disappointed. Mm-hmm. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please be sure to like and subscribe. Let's do some cleanup.
Cleanup?
Cleanup.
Thor, Elsa, come on, help me clean.